Hi everyone, Dave Mitchell from Bayview Renovations, and it's the end of week 3 of our Brady Road project in Bentleigh East, and so much has been done within the first 3 weeks. We are one day away from actually being ready for plaster. All the plastering sheets are here on my right hand side. So I'll start where I started the last video, and that is in the master bedroom. So you can see now that doorway into the robe, so that sliding cavity has been installed. So on this side will be wardrobes, and on that side a small bit of wardrobe as well. So then obviously walking on into the robe, we'll have a bank of robes on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side, if you can see on the left of that window, there'll be another bank of robe there, and then an office desk on this side here. You can see that new window now has been installed. So, and also in the ensuite, which I'll show you in a minute. So that used to be one large window opening, and we basically reduced the size of each of the windows. So you've got a smaller one in this robe slash office area, and then obviously a small one in the ensuite. So really smart way of doing things. Both awning windows so you can open them. Our electrician's been through, done all the roughing, and we've moved that reverse cycle air conditioning duct in the ceiling as well. All of the internet points have been moved to the correct location where the study is, and we've deleted anything that we do not require. So just quickly coming on into the ensuite. Here, if you can see, that cutout there is for the shaving cabinet. And then we've got our drainage here for the basin, as well as the mixer and spout. Remembering that it's offset to the right hand side, the basin. And then on the right hand side, we've got a huge walk-in shower. Well, actually there's a screen that is across the front, but it's a very big shower. Strip grate right across that back wall. You can see how the boys have built that there. Big niche all the way along the back, shower head on this side, you can see. So all the plumbing rough-ins being completed. Plumbing rough-in. So you can see there as well, we've got an in-wall cistern in the wall there. Drainage points being moved. We've relocated the floor duct to the correct location underneath the towel rails. So we've back blocked where the sliding cavity door is for towel rails, so we can screw them into timber. And then also you can now see that smaller window that now services the ensuite. Really, really clever bit of carpentry that by the boys. We've also put in new ceiling joists underneath the old ceiling to get it to the correct height and to make sure that they're level. Obviously the old ceilings are never level. Actually, this one doesn't look too bad. These ones aren't too bad, Tommy? Okay. We've had worse. Yeah, we've had a lot worse. You'll see on the other side, we've actually built a new wall for the main bathroom on the other side, so that the shaving cabinets can be recessed back to back. And I'll show you that in a minute. So, all right, moving on through, that's the master. Obviously in the master, we've just moved the power point across to the left-hand side slightly, so that the king bed has a lot more room to move. And what's happening in this section of the house, all of this carpet is now coming up, and also through here, it's all going to be polished floorboards. We're going to pull up the kitchen tiles as well, and all through here you can see all of the tiles have been pulled up. We just need to pull up the tile underlay in this section, and we've also pulled up into the laundry as well. Bit of additional work. So you'll see here, I remember I was telling you in the last video that we were going to put an additional door here for a powder. I'll be able to show you that now. We've relocated that door in the laundry across to the right hand side slightly, and that's the entrance to the main bathroom. So in here, we can see the new powder. So in this room here, we actually built a small ledge. So that's actually a ledge there. And so once the toilet goes in, you'll be able to put candles and hang things from them or whatever. But you can see the drainage and the water, the cistern has been installed. And then on the right hand side, we've modified the wall slightly to fit a powder, a vanity and spout off the wall, and then there'll be a mirror on that wall there as well. So all the wiring's done for that too. Then in the main bathroom, so Tommy's putting up those new ceiling joists as we speak. You can see here as well, so that window's in now, new awning window. It's just a bit shorter than what it was before. It used to come down to about here. On that left-hand side, we've got a niche for the bath. You can see the mixer and spout for the bath. And then on this side, we've got a twin basin vanity. You can see the mixers and spouts there, drainage points, and then one shaving cabinet, two shaving cabinet, and this is where the walls are doubled up, just to allow for those recessed shaving cabinets. Then around on the right-hand side, where young Mel is, we've got our shower on that side, mixer and spout, and then a niche on the back wall. So all is looking really good. Boys have done so well. 3 weeks, all this has been done within 3 weeks. So then in the laundry, you can see here how we've just framed that wall out for the powder room vanity. We've relocated that PowerPoint for future use in a stick vac cupboard that's going to go between those walls. And that's about it. So by the end of the week, today is Thursday, so it's actually less than 3 weeks. So tomorrow the boys will have everything finished, framed. All of the insulation will be in the walls ready for plastering as of Monday. And so next week we'll be plastering. The end of the week the boys will come back in and put all the architraves and everything on, and we'll be ready for waterproofing. So a lot has been done. Once again, thanks for watching.